Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get followers on Quora. So for this you will have to just open the Quora application on this Android device, or if you have iPhone, so you will just open in iOS. So for this is the Quora application and how to get followers. So what to do for this, you will have to just go back and you will see there is many persons add the questions and you will just give them answers. So if you want to search on Google how to get followers, so to get maximum followers you should answer as many answers as possible. While answering you should not stick to specific point and attach pics or browsing sites to answer. So point is that you will just give them answers and the public will follows you. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.